What you are about to see is the most historic evolution in skin care yet developed. Dermagenetics, a patented system backed by more logic and scientific evidence than has ever been presented for a skin care product. The first and only skin care genetically matched to your skin's DNA dermagenetics profile. How many times have you noticed that people who are near the same age seem to have aged at different rates? Good genes is so often the remark that pops up. Well, it's true. Genes do determine how we age, how our skin reacts to the sun, how the wrinkles form, and when, how we begin to look more and more like our parents. But what if you could take control of the genes that affect our skin? Well, now you can. GeneLink, a bioscience company pioneering in the use of DNA tests to facilitate genetically guided health, beauty, and wellness products, has perfected the use of a new field of science called dermagenetics for true custom-created skin care. The Spa and Pebble Beach Resorts in Carmel, California, is where beautiful people come to stay beautiful. It's the home of the Keller Skin and Body Institute, headed by Dr. Robert Keller. Here, dermagenetics are being used successfully to help slow the signs of aging.
Recently, as part of the development of genetics, we've been able to isolate 5 wrinkle genes. All of this research comes out from the Human Genome Project. That's the project where we identified all of the sites and genes in the human body. We don't know what all those genes do, but recently we've been able to find out at least what 5 of them do, and that's the wrinkle genes.
Remarkable as it may sound, using a confidential gene test, we can now measure an individual's propensity toward collagen breakdown, wrinkling, photoaging, and overall skin health. With that information, we can create the DNA Ultra Custom Night Renewal Anti-Wrinkle Firming Cream, built specifically for each individual.
So what it comes down to is giving DNA what it needs to do its job. What my patients like most is how easy it is to get a gene test. With a simple cotton swab inside the mouth,
that swab is then sent to the Dermagenetics labs, and we determine a genetic profile specific to each person. Using that profile, we create a truly customized, genetically engineered skin cream using the finest certified dermagenetics ingredients. This is an authentic scientific innovation. While other companies may claim to use genetic information, Dermagenetics is the first and only scientific system that measures single nucleotide polymorphisms in DNA to create made-to-order skin care. The results have been dramatic. Recent clinical testing shows that for those using the Dermagenetics system, 62% reported substantial reduction in the appearance of wrinkles after just 14 days. And that number rose to 70% after 56 days. In a similar fashion, 56% reported improved skin firmness after 2 weeks. And after 56 days, that number also rose to 70%, proving that with a simple cotton swab and the latest science, everyone can fight both the ravages of time and the weaknesses in our genes to help reverse the signs of aging like never before.